Gunner is about to see rain for the first time. Oh, oh. Well, last time was much more exciting. He didn't really know what to do with it. Sniffing. Hey, come back. What is this stuff? It's okay. Go on outside. It's okay. Go on outside. It's safe. I promise. Oh, he's like sticking to me like glue. Come on. Go outside. Go on outside. You can see him. He's thinking about it. He's sniffing. Looking. It's okay. Go on outside. Come on. Come on. It's safe. What? What is this stuff? Oh. Nope. Nope. What? You're barking at the rain? It's kind of scary, huh? Come on. Go outside. No. You don't like it? No, you don't like it? Come on. Outside. Come on. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on. He says, no, I'm scared. Let's sniff your pants instead. Come on, Gunner, outside. Let's go. Oh, that's way closer than I thought it would be. Sorry, guys. The beagle knows what rain is. She goes out, comes right back in. Come on, Gunner. Gunner, go outside. Good boy. No? Okay. Nope. Falling down. Come on, you gotta go pee. There you go. Go pee. Go on. Go outside. Oh, you growling at the rain? Yeah. I know. It's kind of scary. See his boo-boo toe from when he decided to get stepped on by a horse? Yeah. Come on, outside. Go on outside. No. Okay. Rain is kind of scary, huh? Yeah.